Hi guys, it's Ahsan. Welcome back. This is lesson 12 of my maths help that's brought to you by me and Joyous Learning. Today's topic is actually angles, and we have two questions. So let's view the first question. A triangular piece of paper has three sides with equal length. So that is actually the key phrase, which is equal length with the equal length, which means that it is an equilateral triangle and all the angles are the same. So I'm just going to label one line to show that all the sides are the same, which means that this angle, and this angle is all the same. Then it says it was folded along the dotted line as shown below, so find angle X. So that is angle X. So in a triangle, the total area of all the angles in it is equal to 180 degrees. And since the three angles inside this triangle are the same, so it should be 180 degrees divided by 3, because there are three angles and they're the same, which is equal to 60 degrees. So that is 1. So I'll just label 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. And then it was folded along a dotted line as shown below. So I'm just going to label this angle here at the left side Y, for example. So when it is folded, if you realize this angle here is actually Y, which means that this is 60 degrees. And since this is folded, it means that 25 degrees times 2 of this angle, I'm just going to label it as A. So times 2 of this plus 25 degrees is equal to 60 degrees, because that is the top corner here, which I'll also just label it as B. So the equation basically is 2A plus 25 degrees is equal to B, which is equal to 60 degrees. So in order to find that angle, which is A, we just have to take 60 degrees minus 25 degrees, which is equal to 35 degrees, which is equal to 2A. So means that 1A is equal to 35 degrees divided by 2, which is equal to 17.5 degrees. So that is the angle of A. So as I said before, all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So in order to find X, we first have to add A with 60 degrees. So 17.5 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 77.5 degrees. So that is A plus angle Y. So in order to find angle X, it is simply 180 degrees, which is all the angles added up together, minus 77.5 degrees, which is equal to 102.5 degrees. So that is the answer for question 1. So now we are going to move on to question 2. Okay. Question 2. The figure below is made up of 8 identical isosceles triangles. So that is also a keyword. I'll underline it. 8 identical isosceles triangles. So it means that basically the two sides of the triangle are of the same length. I'm going to draw a line to show that it's the same length. Okay, and in an isosceles triangle, the two angles at the bottom are the same. So it means that, for example, this angle here and this angle here are the same, which is also the same for basically all the others. Same. So if GOCX, which is this line, I'll do it in red. So GOCX, this is one line, and ABX and HOD, BOF and AOE are straight lines. So basically they're all straight lines. Find the angle of BXC, which they already labeled. And as you can see in the center, it forms one whole round, because all the tips of the triangle combine until you get one round, and one round is 360 degrees. 360 degrees, and that's one round. And since they are all identical, it means that the angle of the top angle is the same. So I'll take 360 degrees divided by 8 triangles in total, which is equal to 45. Yeah, 45 degrees. So that is this part, 45 degrees. So that is 45 degrees. Okay, now the question is to find BXC. So in order to find BXC, first we need to find the angle of the other two angles. So that means that we have to find OBX, which is over here. So that means this is the other side. Since they already mentioned that ABX is one straight line, it means that the angle is actually 180. Since one round is 360, means one line which is half is only 180. So 180 degrees. So first we have to find the bottom two angles. I'll just erase that first. So we just take 180 degrees minus 45 degrees, which is the top part, and you get 135 degrees. So that is the angle of the two bottom. And since they are isosceles triangles, it means that the two bottom angles are the same. So which means to find one bottom angle is 135 degrees divided by 2, which is equal to is equal to 67.5 degrees. So that is the angle of one bottom angle. And as you can see, there's one part of the triangle AOX, so which means we have to take out this part. Wait, I should do it in a different color. I'll just erase it. We have to take away this part, which I've highlighted in yellow, in order to find angle OBX, which is needed to find BXC. We have to take 180 degrees minus 67.5 degrees, which is equal to 112.5 degrees. So that is the angle of OBX. So angle OBX. So now to find BXC, as I said earlier, one triangle has all the angles add up to 180. So we take 112.5 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 157.5 degrees, which is OBX plus BOC, which is 45 degrees. So BXC is simply equal to 180 degrees minus 157.5 degrees, which is equal to 22.5 degrees. So that is the answer for X. We have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it benefited you. I hope you're having a great week. It's already almost the end of March. It's so fast, right? So I'll see you next week. Bye bye.